How to fix WhatsApp can't set up the recorder now, please try again later problem. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that will definitely fix your problem. First thing first, make sure that you are connected to a very stable Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data. Now for the second step, head over to your Play Store and make sure your WhatsApp is updated. At the top search bar, type in WhatsApp. If you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Open your apps, then here you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Tap on the search bar, type in WhatsApp. Tap onto your WhatsApp, scroll below, then tap on storage. Here clear the cache, come back onto app info page, force stop, then OK. Likewise, tap on to set as default and make sure this has been untoggled. Once you do all this, restart your device, try again, and this shall work. If it's still not working for you, then all you have to do is uninstall this WhatsApp, reinstall again on this device, get logged into your WhatsApp account number, and this shall work. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.